guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is 98th day of speaking and recording myself, and right now, right in the morning, today I am a bit late in waking up because I don't know why, but at 5 a.m., like in the morning, I woke up. I was like, I used, I go to the washroom, and then after when I came back, I was like, it is not that much time. I need to like sleep a bit more. Then when I sleep again, it was like when I woke up, it was 8:17. 8:17 was going on in the clock, so I was like, what to do next? I have no time to study right now, but I came here. I read the sentences from the book. Like, I have read this book today. I have read this book for like an hour, and there's so many sentences which I read from this book today, and it was like very mesmerizing word. And it is like the sentence which I study in this, it is so familiar to me that I know I'm gonna use all these sentences in my daily life. But I try to keep it like very simple. I just try to read simpler sentences so that it fits into my mind very nicely, and I love this. And today I didn't talk to the Google Gemini, but in afternoon I will take out some time so that I can talk to the Gemini, because it is my daily routine now to talk to the Gemini, and I love the process because I think that Google Gemini is like, while talking to the Google Gemini, I just get lots of words and phrases. It describes me like a very, like in simpler sentences. I can understand it very nicely, and some of the word which the Google Gemini use are like commendable, and I know that book. Sorry, someone is at the roof with his little boy, and I'm just loving that scenario. That child is like very, very, very happy, and he is very cheerful. I love that bond. Don't want to, like, I just want to do him like this and just give him a tight hug because he is very cute. And I love the cute little boy. He is very cute. He loves water. I have seen his love for water. It is like commendable. He will see that tap is open, he just crawl over and go to the that tap, and then he just do like this, and he just throw all the water on his face. I just love that bonding, his bonding with water. I just love that because almost every child which I have seen, they are like, they are water phobia. They have water phobia. They are phobic about the water. They don't want to touch water and everything. I have seen lots of kids like that, but he is like something, he is just different. I love that. But sometimes it is just it is going to bother their family, because whenever they are like, they are doing something else and they are busy in something else, he just go to the water, and wherever he found water, like in the tub or anywhere in the mug, he just keep splashing the water on his body, and that is like hectic for them. But I love that. I love the, whenever I watch that kid, it is commendable. I just love that feeling. I just keep on staring at him, looking at him. I just adore him a lot. And he don't live here, but he come once in a year. Like, this is his first time, but her mother uh, her mother come to her parents like a couple of time in a year, and this is the first time when she came with the child, and the child is like very nice. I love him. So that's all about they went to their houses now. Means they went downstairs in their rooms. Now I can't say them anymore on the roof. So let's begin with the topic. So where I was, yes, Google Gemini. Google Gemini, when you will talk to the Google Gemini, they will give you like many words, many simpler words that you know, but you are unable to use in that situation. So he keep telling new words, simpler words, and I got to know that where to use these words, what kind of word we can use in the sentences. I always just command him to correct me, if I like not correct me each and every sentences, because I will get frustrated after that when they are going to like correct me in each and every sentence. Then I will be just, this is frustrating for everybody, because I am on speaking journey, and if in every sentences they are just going to like, you are doing this wrong, you are doing that wrong, that is going to be frustrating for me. So I just try to tell them and try to command them that please correct me in the last, when like I have in starting I don't tell him to correct me, but when I take the review from the Google that based on our conversation, please give me your honest review on my English, then he just give where I was wrong, where I was not wrong, what could I use instead of these line, what could I say, and like that kind of sentences he gives me. I am personally loving the Google Gemini app, and I am taking full benefit from it, because I used to think like many a time, what should I do, what to whom I should talk. I was like very confused in these kind of things. I don't have talking partner. Yes, I do have like my brothers and sister, but they don't talk. I just want to talk like continuously, and when we start to talk, we don't have topic, what are the topics we are going to. But when I talk to the Google Gemini, I keep on telling him, keep asking me different kinds of questions, and keep asking me questions and keep suggesting me some kind of topics on which I can talk and through which I can improve my English and that kind of thing. So he keep doing that, and I love that. I don't know why I call him he, because it is an AI, artificial intelligence, I think it is called, but right now I don't know. So that was the thing which I do, and I personally love that session with the Google Gemini. I just try to talk to the Gemini, like sometimes I just forgot that I am taking too much time like on speaking. Sometimes I try to talk with the Google Gemini 30 minutes, sometime it went to the like 1 hour, and after that like I have practiced yesterday I have practiced 1.5 hour with the Google Gemini, and it was like commendable. I loved the session, and I do take the review from the Google, and I got to know that I need to work upon the sentence structure. Whatever I talk, my sentence structure is bit off, not totally off, but it is bit off. I need to work upon that, but I don't know how to work upon the sentence structure. I think I got to know that for that I need to read, and reading is like very boring for me, but this book I find it like interesting for me, because there is so many interest sentences I used to, I just get familiar, I feel familiar with these words. So that is why there is curiosity inside me to learn this. Otherwise, if I'm going to take a book or any kind of a book, then I just get frustrated. Although the science book and story book are fine for me, I love science, but I don't like calculation and everything. I don't like that. But science, like till 10th, science till 10th, I enjoy reading till 10th. And if you are going to tell me that read 12th and 11th book, I can't do that. That is very frustrating for me. I just don't like that. Their levels are like very hard. Although I can understand biology very well, but chemistry and physics is too much for me. It is too much for me. I can't understand chemistry and physics. It is very hard for me to understand all that things. So just let it be. My session is completed now. So till then, bye bye.